This week, my students are studying the word until. You can use until as a conjunction or as a preposition. The word until is similar to before or before some sort of time. Something happens until, and then it stops and time continues. So here's activity, and then until is here. Perhaps the easiest way to use until is as a preposition for time. There's a timeline, and then until is a particular time. Let's say it's 5 o'clock, and then time continues. Today, I work until 5 o'clock. So here's the activity, and then here is the time. And after this time, I stop working. I work until 5 o'clock. You can use this for the present tense, the past, or the future. I worked until 5 o'clock. That's the past. Or for the future, I will work until 5 o'clock. When until is used as a preposition, it's often used with a negative verb. Here, won't get. Doesn't open, didn't arrive. We won't get there until later. The store doesn't open until 8 o'clock. The train didn't arrive until 10:05. None of these things happened until these times. The word until is similar to before, but it's often a better choice when talking about a time before something else. So in this case, if I say the train didn't arrive until 10:05, then it sounds like the train was late. The train didn't arrive until 10:05. And this is an expression of frustration. Sometimes the word until helps to emphasize a surprise. The party lasted until 2 a.m. That's pretty late. We stayed up until 3 a.m. That's very late. They didn't wake up until 10. That would be 10 in the morning. That's very late in the morning. And in each of these situations, it sounds like some kind of a surprise, or the situation is excessive. And until helps to emphasize that. Until, and then the time. The word until is often used as a conjunction between two clauses. Here's the first clause, you can't do that. And then here's the second clause, until you are 16. This is the independent clause. We could end the clause with a period, and that would just make a sentence. You can't do that. But if you want to put a condition after this, begin with this subordinating conjunction, and then here's a subject and then a verb. You can't do that until you are 16. It's possible also to begin a sentence like this with this conjunction and say, until you are 16, and then we put a comma here this would go here. You can't do that. Until you are 16, comma, you can't do that. The students can't leave until they finish their assignments. Here's the first part of the sentence. The students can't leave. This is the main clause. We could end it with a period, but if you want to put the condition on the sentence, here it is, until they finish their assignments. And then they can leave. Until is often used with some sort of a negative situation, and then followed by this conjunction. The students can't leave until they finish their assignments. If you want to put the subordinating conjunction first, start with until. You can say, until they finish their assignments, and then we put a comma here, the students can't leave. Either way is okay. However, if you're able to use this at the beginning of a sentence, it does sound good. Notice that these sentences all begin with a negative command, starting with don't and then the verb. The subject is you, but don't say you. Don't start until I say go. This might be said in the case of a race or a test or some kind of a competition. Don't start until I say go. Don't take it out until it's ready. This might be used for food. Don't go there until it's clear or until it's safe. Whatever the situation is, perhaps this would have something to do with a dangerous area. Don't go there because of the danger until it's clear or safe. You can begin a question with the word until and then some sort of a question word. Until when are you working? Or until what time are you working? And you could also ask, until what day are you working? This would be for some extended period of time, until some particular day a person works and then stops working. Until what day are you working? Until when is the store open? Or until can go at the end of the question. When is the store open until? How long is it open until? How long are we here until? Whether you put until at the end of the question or at the beginning doesn't matter too much. I think it's a little easier to put it here. This is how I often use until. I put it before the question word. Until when is the store open? One very popular way of using until is with can't wait. I can't wait until, and then this would be the time or the event. I can't wait until tomorrow. Or I can't wait until the store opens. Or I can't wait until we go on vacation. I can't wait until we go on vacation. All of these would be in anticipation of something good. When you're thinking of something good and you're looking forward to it, then you can say, I can't wait until, and then the time or the event. I can't wait until tomorrow. I can't wait until the store opens. I can't wait until we go on vacation. I hope this video helped you. If it did, subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Until next time, this is Learn American English Online.